Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the Crew. I'm Rebecca, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this home sign using items from Dollar Tree. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Now let's go over the supplies list. You'll need one sheet of the poster letters from the Dollar Tree. You'll also need one sheet of the Crafter Square rub-on transfers, and then you will need one of these signs. They say dream, 1 o'clock, and relax. There's 3 different ones. You'll also need one small piece of ribbon that coordinates with your project, a pair of scissors, some glue of your choice. You could use the Crafter Square glue or some hot glue. You'll also need a razor blade to take the writing off of the glass, and then you'll need a dry erase marker, some painter's tape, a ruler, a paper towel, and some glass cleaner. So let's get crafty. So the first thing I did was I took my razor blade and I scraped the word dream off of this sheet of glass here. It comes off really easily, as you guys can see here. And then we're going to use our paper towel and our glass cleaner to go ahead and clean up that glass before we put our stickers and our transfer onto the glass here. So once we have that done, I cut my letters off the poster sticker sheet and lined those up where I wanted those, and then I cut out the little wreath that looks like an O from the rub-on transfer sheet. I lined those up and kind of played with them a little bit to see where I wanted them. Once I had that figured out, I went ahead and took my ruler and I figured out where the center of the little glass frame is here. And then I made some little dots with my dry erase marker so that I'll be able to take that off once I get my stickers lined up. And then I just drew a line at the top and a line at the bottom that my letters will sit in between. And that's going to help keep my letters and my little wreath lined up as I put these stickers on the glass. Now, using my painter's tape, I tape those into place where I think I want those to be and keep those there while I apply the little rub-on transfer. Now I'm not going to rub it on yet. I'm just going to stick it to the glass, and then I'm going to go ahead and line up my stickers. So I start with the H and then the M. I keep picking it up to make sure I have that lined up. You could also put your ruler along the back because you can see it right through the glass, and that helps line it up. Once the E's on, we're almost finished, you guys. This is so quick and so easy. So now taking a popsicle stick, a crafter stick, a spoon, the back of a spoon, you're going to rub that little transfer on. You might want to tape it down. I eventually did do that because it was sliding around a little bit. Slowly peel that up and we have our little wreath O in place. One more little step here. All we're going to do is take a small piece of ribbon, make a tiny bow, and then using the Crafter Square glue and just a little dot of hot glue as well, we put the little bow at the bottom of the wreath. And once we held that in place and it dried in place just for a minute, here's a little close-up of that bow there. And this is the finished project. You guys, from start to finish, less than 10 minutes, $3, and it's gorgeous. I just love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Have a great week.